Hey, this is just a quick video today. Some of you have seen, admired, and commented on my welding bench. This thing has been through 3 or 4 iterations, but I think it's reached the end of its life. As a welding table ages, one of the things that happens to it is you weld things to it and then grind those things off. Weld fixtures to it, grind them off. Over time, the flat surface becomes wavy. This one's pretty old, it's time to replace it. Anyway, this is not a full build video. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to go through to make these changes and come up with a new welding table. We'll start out with a piece of 3/8 inch plate steel. It's a remnant I got from my local steel supply. It's 48 inches wide, which is the standard width, and it was a 25-inch long piece, so that's where we're beginning. We'll just hoist it up onto the table here, hopefully without getting hurt in the process. Now, a friend of mine had these legs hanging around. They're the right height, so they got elected to be the legs for the project. I got this tubing off some piece of exercise equipment. I don't care if those holes are in it or not, so I'm just going to use it. Okay, so the legs are located where I want them. I'm going to just tack them in place, then we'll square them and tack the crossbars also. I think it'll be good to have a bar to hang my MIG gun on. Over there I just used a loop, and the loop was really restricted, so having a whole bar for it I think is going to be a better situation. And I think that's pretty good, so now we'll get it on the ground and put the wheels on it. Now here's one of the problems with this, is when I put those wheels on, they're too small, and I arced a couple of the bearings so they stick all the time. Now the bandsaw mount, that was a pretty good thing, so I think I'm going to keep that. So here's what I came up with. New clamp hanging system. Instead of just a loop, I put a rail on there to hang the MIG gun on. I've got tape measure storage. I've got my 1-inch slot that I had from the old system. I got a hand place for my pliers. The bandsaw's got a way tougher, way more secure mount on it. More tape measure, storage. And this time I used some really thick, wide space diamond plate because with the thin space stuff, it collected a lot of dirt. And this rolls a lot easier than the last one. Hey, so that's all for this time. Thanks for stopping in. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over there to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.